Good morning, class. Today we will be starting with exercise 8.2. We have already done question 1 and 2. Today we will be doing question 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in case you have any doubt in question 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 questions, so you can just WhatsApp me your doubts. I will discuss your doubts in the next class. So be ready with your books, pause the video and arrange for your books. So let's begin from question 3. What does question number 3 say? It says, simplify the following by combining the like terms. It is saying simplify the following by combining the like terms. You know what is like terms? Like terms are the terms which have the same variable coefficient. Okay? Look at the first part. Without me solving it, you can just see there is 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. How many terms are there? There are 4 terms, and out of these 4 terms we can just see 3 terms, 21b, then 7b and then minus 20b. These 3 terms are like terms because they have the same variable coefficient, that is b. So as of now in the class I will discuss 2 parts with you. Let me take the first part and the last part. Okay, so you see students, whatever we do in the class, that has to go in your notebook. Okay, and the remaining parts which I'm not discussing, those will be your homework parts. So it means you have to do the entire question only. So if you want to write down the solution, looking at my solution, you can pause the video and write down the solution. So simplify. It is understood that I have to combine the like terms and simplify. I am writing the first part, which says 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Okay, so what am I going to do is I will just write the like terms all together. Like terms beta इसमें कौन से हैं? First term, the third term and the fourth term. So I will write them together. 21b प्लस 7b माइनस 20b. ठीक है, कंबाइन कर दिया मैंने. कंबाइन करके करना है. माइनस 32 मैंने बाद में लिख दिया बेटा. ठीक है, और कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है, सिर्फ वन कांस्टेंट टर्म है हमारे पास. नाउ वी नो हाउ विल वी सॉल्व इट, जस्ट लाइक इन टीचर्स. प्लस 21b और प्लस 7b, टोटल कितना बीज हो गया बेटा? देर आर प्लस 28 बीज and minus 20b as it is. So you remember when we were solving integers last year, what we were doing? We were just highlighting with a pencil whatever we are solving. मैम ने अभी इन दोनों को सॉल्व करा, so I have underlined. I don't have a pencil. You will do with the pencil. So this is solved. Minus 20b and minus 32. Don't forget that as it is. जो unsolved है बेटा उसको you will just copy as it is. अब मैंने इन बीज को सॉल्व करना है. अब why can I add and subtract them? Because they are like terms. So I can simply just underline this. So plus 28 and minus 20, answer will come what? Minus 8 or plus 8? It will be plus 8b minus 32. Now students, please don't solve it further. I cannot solve it further because this term has a variable and this is a constant term. हम इनको नहीं solve कर सकते क्योंकि ये like terms नहीं है. So we have to leave our answer like this only. Now the last part, that is the 8th part. I'm certain that you will come across many doubts if you actually solve at home. तो ये मत करना कि doubts नहीं पूछ रहे हो. सारे doubts पूछना, हम discuss करेंगे next class में. Okay? 3y square. I'm so sorry. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 in a bracket. Okay? Minus 8y minus y square and minus 4 in another bracket. Okay, students, this is what expressions we are having. Actually we are having 2 expressions which are getting subtracted. Now because we have to simplify by combining the like terms, of course we have to take this into consideration that we have to remove the bracket. So what I'll do is I will just remove the bracket and write the first expression as it is. अब देखो, second expression के बाहर एक minus sign है. You remember last year when we were multiplying a term which is outside the bracket with the terms inside the bracket, we were counting the minus sign. अगर 1 minus sign आता है तो it will be there. If 2 minus sign will come, it will get cancelled. So अगर यहाँ पर minus लिखा है, इसका मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? यहाँ पर -1 है. ठीक है बेटा? So you can just take it like this also. Okay, one minus sign is there. If you don't want to take it as -1, just think that is a minus sign. माइनस इंटू प्लस 8y, माइनस प्लस का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? -8y. माइनस इंटू माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, 2 माइनस साइन, even number of minus sign, so this becomes plus y square. Then माइनस इंटू माइनस, it will become +4. एज्यूम कर लो यहाँ पर प्लस साइन होता तो ये ब्रैकेट एज इट इज ओपन हो जाता, मतलब 8y माइनस वाई स्क्वायर -4. बट बिकॉज देर इज अ माइनस साइन आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट स्टूडेंट्स, सो द साइंस विल गेट ऑपोजिट. देखो प्लस बन गया माइनस, माइनस बन गया प्लस, ये भी माइनस बन गया प्लस. ओके, नाउ we have opened the bracket, but actually what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to simplify by combining the like terms. अब combine करते हैं like terms को. What, how? Okay students, so when we are going to combine the like terms, we will just look at the numerical coefficients. I'm sorry, we will look at the variable coefficients. 3y square, can you see any other term which has a y square? Yes. So what I'll do is, I don't have a pencil, but with your pencil you'll put a tick on this and this. So you will write it along with the sign plus y square. Okay, next plus 5y. Is there any y term? Yes, -8y, copy -8y. Any other y term? No, stop. Okay, then -4, which is a constant term, so any other constant term? Yes, +4. So if you carefully see in the last, any term left to be copied? No, nothing is left. We have combined the like terms, y square with y square, y with y, and a constant with a constant. Okay, maybe there are 3 terms which has y square, maybe there are 4 terms, and maybe y has only 1 term only. Okay, so it's not mandatory that it will be a pair of 2 only always. Okay, it's not something hard and fast. Let's solve it. This is 3y square and this is plus 1y square. So how many y squares we have? 4y square. Okay, I can only deal with them. Now look at this. Plus 5 minus 8. Plus 5y minus 8y is how many y's? -3y. And -4 plus 4, you know it will cancel and give you a 0, so no need to write that 0. This was question number 3. Now we will move to question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, if you just see in question number 4, you simply have to do what? You have to just simplify the terms. I'm just saying, you just have to add the terms. See, in this question, what is it saying? It is saying that find the sum of the following algebraic expressions. So if you carefully see the first part, you can see there is a commas. 5xy, comma, -7xy, comma, 3x square. Students, it means what? It means there are 3 expressions. First expression, comma, second expression, comma, third expression. You simply have to replace the commas with a plus sign. Okay, so you will be easily able to do the first, second, third and fourth part if I explain you the last parts, which are a bit tough. You can just see the last parts, the 7th and the 8th part. 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 1. First expression beta, it has 4 terms, comma, second expression में देखो कितने terms है? 3x minus 2x square minus x cube, comma, 2x square minus 7x plus 9. So let me solve this question for you. Understand very carefully. The question was saying find the sum. Find the sum. Okay, I will be doing the last 2 parts, that is the 7th and the 8th part. You will do this also in the notebook and along with the other parts. So the 7th part is what? It is 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 1, comma, 3x minus 2x square, I'm so sorry, minus 2x square minus x cube, comma, the third expression is 2x square minus 7x plus 9. ठीक है बेटा, this is the expression. So these are the three expressions and we have to add them. So I'll just replace the comma with a plus sign. So 3x cube minus 5x square plus 2x plus 1. This comma with a plus sign plus 3x minus 2x square minus x cube plus, or I will write a plus here. The third expression, अगर third expression में यहाँ पे minus sign होता तो कोई बात नहीं, उसको आप ऐसे लिख लेना bracket में, ठीक है बेटा. So plus, but it was not there, so 2x square minus 7x plus 9. Now it is same as a previous question students. Previous question में हमने क्या करा था? We have simplified by combining the like terms. तो इसमें भी हम like terms को combine करेंगे. How? Take 3x cube first, okay, and see any x cube term is there? Yes, this is there, minus x cube. Any other x cube term? No. Finish. Again come to the start. Minus 5x square. Any x square term is there? Yes. Minus 2x square. Put a tick on this. Simultaneously, if you will not put the tick, you can miss out and you may make a mistake. So plus 2x square. Then the next term, we will start from here only. Plus 2x. X वाली कोई और term है बेटा? See this, plus 3x. और कोई x वाली टर्म है ये रही, minus 7x. I don't have space here, so I am writing minus 7x here. Then see from the starting 1, which is plus 1 actually, plus 1 along with other constants. Nothing is left here. Here plus 9. Perfect. So we can see two terms are there with the x cube. So let's add them up. Plus 3 and minus 1 का आंसर क्या होता है? 2x cube. Minus 5 and minus 2 and plus 2. X square, x square, x square. Okay. So initially what you can do is you can color this, underline this with yellow pen, this with the orange pen, and this with some blue pen. Okay, so that it is highlighted what are the like terms, what are terms we are solving. Like here there are 3 like terms. Okay, but मुझे पता है बेटा minus 2x square और plus 2x square क्या हो जाएगा? Cancel हो जाएगा. So I can simply write minus 5x square. Look at the third thing. Plus 2 plus 3 is plus 5x. Plus 5x और minus 7x कितना हो जाएगा? Minus 2x. Plus 1 plus 9 is plus 10. Okay? जब हमने like terms को solve कर दिया, we will not left with anything to combine now. X cube is different, x square is different, x is different, and that is a constant term. We cannot further solve it. Okay? Likewise, students, I will do the last part for you. This was the 7th part. You can pause the video and make note of it carefully. If you would have seen first step, second step, third step answer. Okay. Now, first step is nothing. It's just simply, you just had made a plus sign instead of commas. So the last part is the 8th part, which is 7a square minus 5a plus 2 comma, it is minus, no, it is only 3a square minus 7 comma 2a plus 9 comma 1 plus 2a minus 5a square. So actually there are 4 expressions. Okay, if you see there are 4 expressions, first, second, third and fourth. Let's make a plus sign and write them all together. 7a square minus 5a plus 2, ये first expression था. Instead of comma, put a plus. Plus 3a square minus 7. Instead of comma, write a plus. 2a plus 9. Instead of comma, write a plus. 1 plus 2a minus 5a square. Okay. Now let's start combining them. This is just putting a plus sign so that we are adding them. Actually, in this step, we will start the real work, that is combining of the like terms. 7a square, any other term with the a square? Yes. This is plus 3a square. We'll write this. Any other term? Yes. Minus 5a square. Simultaneously put a tick on this so that you don't miss them out. Minus 5a. Then other term with a is plus 2a. Then plus 2a again. Okay. अब बचे plus 2, from the left we will see plus 2, then minus 7, then plus 9, then plus 1. Okay, So now let's solve it. You can take one more step to solve it. कभी कभी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी हम सब a स्क्वायर वाली टर्म्स को साथ में सॉल्व करें. ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम कि पहले 7 और 3 को ऐड कर लिया मैम ने वन स्टेप में, -5 स्क्वायर को एज जस्ट कॉपी कर लिया, उसको नेक्स्ट स्टेप में सॉल्व कर लो. बट दैट मे क्रिएट सम कन्फ्यूजन फॉर यू पीपल. सो वॉट यू कैन डू इज, this is one, this is another, and these are the term of constants. Okay, so what you can do is students, you can solve them in one step. 7 plus 3 कितना होता है 10, 10 minus 5 कितना होता है 5. So 5a square. Then -5 plus 2 is -3 and -3 plus 2 is -1. So -1a, -1 लगाना है या सिर्फ माइनस ए लिखना है, it is your choice. Okay, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. +2 कितना हो गया +4 और -5 और +4 का आंसर होता है -1 बट विद ए. हेयर आर द कॉन्स्टेंट्स. यू कैन जस्ट ऐड 9 + 1 10, 10 + 2 इज व्हाट 12, 12 - 7 कर दो कितना हो गया +5. दिस इज आवर आंसर, दैट्स इट. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप, सेकेंड स्टेप, थर्ड स्टेप. ओके, नाउ वील मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. लेट्स सी व्हाट क्वेश्चन 5 says, students. Question 5 says simplify the following. Okay, here there are only 3 parts, students, in this question. Carefully see. There are only 3 parts. I will do the last part for you. Here we just have to simplify. Okay, let's do this. I will write this for you. And you people already know how to simplify just by combining the like terms, as we have been doing in question 3 and question number 4 also. So, question number 5 is simplify. I'll take the last part, which is the third part, which says 5x to the power 4 minus 7x square plus 8x minus 1 plus 3x cube plus, sorry, this is minus 9x square plus 7 minus 3x to the power 4 plus 11x minus 2 plus 8x square. Okay, so students, let's simplify. How do we simplify this? Simplification means just combining the like terms and solving them. Okay, so I will be writing 5x to the power 4. Okay, any other term with x to the power 4? No other term. No, I'm so sorry, I just spotted minus 3x to the power 4, so you have to be very cautious. Then I can see the next term is minus 7x square. So I will just look for the x square terms. Yeah, there is a minus 9x square and plus 8x square. Okay, then the next term is plus 8x. Oh wait, I'm just not putting a tick on this x square term. I should have done that. Then plus 8x. Okay, plus 8x means x terms. I will look for x terms. This is a plus 11x. Only 2 terms with x, so put a tick. If you forget putting a tick, you may make mistake. Then I wrote a minus 1. With minus 1 I will write plus 7 and then minus 2. Now carefully see, anything is left or not. Tick, put a tick again. Then this is left. See, this term was left, which is x cube term. It is plus 3x cube. It is the only term which has the variable x cube. No other term is having this variable. So you may make mistakes of missing it out. Students, be very cautious while solving. अब x4 वाली terms देखो बेटा. These are the like terms. These 3 are the like terms. These 2, these 3, and this is as it is. Okay. Now, plus 5 minus 3 is what? Plus 2x to the power 4. -7 -9 plus 8. -7 और -9 को ऐड करोगे तो कितना हो जाएगा -16. -16 और plus 8 का आंसर कितना आएगा -16. जस्ट लाइक इन टीचर्स वी आर सॉल्विंग. -16 एंड plus 8 का आंसर कितना आएगा? इट विल बी -8x square. डोंट फॉरगेट टू पुट द सेम वेरिएबल. देन plus 8x plus 11x. इट विल बी कमिंग plus 19x. -1 plus 7 is plus 6. Plus 6 and -2 is plus 4. So plus 4 I will put, then plus 3x cube, and it's done. But students, be careful when you are presenting your answer in the end. In algebraic expressions, how do we just leave the final answer? Even if you leave like this, no problem. but you should always write in decreasing of order of the powers. 2x to the power 4 के बाद आपको लिखना चाहिए plus 3x to the power 3, then minus 8x to the power 2 plus 19x plus 4. हमेशा decreasing order of the powers बच्चे, you should arrange the terms like that. Okay, now let's do the last question for this today's class. And what is the question? It is subtract. Carefully see, subtract. For example, look at the first part, minus 5y square from y square. तो जिसमें से माइनस करते हैं that we write first and this we will write later. So I will be doing not the first part, I will be doing the last two parts. Okay, seventh part and eighth part. Okay, so students, let me just drop this. I will teach you two ways to solve it. Let me take only the last part because the last two parts are a little bigger ones. So I think one big part you should also do. I will do only the last part, that is the eighth part, okay, of question number 6, which was subtract. जैसे अगर मैम ने बोला subtract करो 16 from -5, तो तुम क्या करोगे? पहले तो तुम -5 लिखोगे, फिर किसका साइन लगाओगे? माइनस का, फिर 16 कॉपी करोगे. अगर ये होता subtract -16 from -5, so you will write -5 first, then you will put a subtraction sign, then you will see what you have to subtract. -16, it will go in the bracket. Automatically it will become +16 and then you know how to solve it. Okay, because minus minus plus, you know that. So students, likewise, if you see the eighth part here, there are two expressions, that is 2x to the power 4, okay, minus 7x square plus 5x plus 3 from, किसमें से माइनस करना है? 7x square, I'm so sorry, I have written the wrong thing. It is x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3 minus 2x square plus 3. Ma'am is going to teach you two ways to solve it, so you will have to decide which way is easy for you. Okay, so listen very carefully, otherwise you will not be able to find out which way is easier for you. I will do the first method then the second method. Notebook में मुझे question number 6 के 8 part के लिए दोनों methods चाहिए, only for this part. Other parts के लिए आप कौन सा method करोगे? Whichever you find easy. Okay, so because I have to subtract from this, I will write this first. क्योंकि जिसमें से माइनस करते हैं वो वाला एक्सप्रेशन हो या वो वाला नंबर हो या वो वाला फ्रैक्शन हो, बी इट एनीथिंग, वी विल राइट दैट फर्स्ट, देन वी विल पुट अ माइनस साइन बिकॉज वी आर सबट्रैक्टिंग. माइनस के बाद हम क्या लिखते हैं? जिस चीज़ को माइनस करना होता है. ऑलवेज मेक अ ब्रैकेट, ऑलवेज मेक अ ब्रैकेट. ओके, आफ्टर अ माइनस साइन मेक अ ब्रैकेट. 2x to the power 4 minus 7x to the power 2 plus 5x and plus 3. Bracket close. Okay, इसको माइनस करना था, वी हैव मेड अ ब्रैकेट. नाउ द फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन विल गो एज इट इज अगेन, बट जिस एक्सप्रेशन को बच्चे माइनस करना है, यू नो वेन एवर अ माइनस साइन इज देयर आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट, व्हाट हैपन्स? If you see this first term inside the bracket, it has a plus sign with it. So minus and plus will become minus 2x to the power 4. Minus minus will become plus 7x to the power 2. Minus and plus will become minus 5x and minus and plus will become minus 3. तो इसका शॉर्टकट क्या है? We can just make a short trick. Ma'am, whatever is there inside the bracket, just opposite कर दो उसके sign. It was plus, make it minus. It was minus, make it plus. It was plus, make it minus. And it was plus, it again make it minus. So you will just, you can use this trick also. Now we are on the same grounds बेटा, we just have to combine the like terms. अब बिल्कुल वैसे ही करना है जैसे हम ऐड में कर रहे थे. सिंप्लीफाई कैसे कर रहे थे? by combining the like terms. Ultimately we have to do that only whenever we are solving a problem. So ma'am will write x to the power 4, put a tick. Any other? Yes, minus 2x to the power 4, put a tick. This time let me put with the red so that it is highlighted to you. Okay, then next term is minus 3x cube. So any other term with x cube? No other term. Next is minus 2x square, so I'll put a tick. Any other term with x square? Yes, plus 7x square, so put a tick on this also. Okay, then I will write plus 3. Then any other constant? Yes, minus 3 is a constant. Any term left? Just see the tick sign. Yes, minus 5x is left. I just spotted, so I will write the minus 5x in the end. Okay, So let's combine this. 1x4 minus 2x4 plus 1 minus 1 का आंसर आप सॉरी plus 1 minus 2 का आंसर बचे what it will be minus x to the power 4 या minus 1x to the power 4. Then this is all by itself, so nothing to solve here. Minus 3x cube. Then there are two terms together which has the variable x square. So minus 2 plus 7 will give you plus 5x square. Plus 3 minus 3 cut. Constants cuts with constant because they have the opposite sign. Angels and demons, I have taught you that concept. No, same. Then minus 5x is left. That's it. And this is our final answer. So simplification step, combining of the like terms, and the final answer. These three steps we know. Only the different step was this one. Just to show what we are subtracting from what. So this step was extra step. Okay. So you have understood, I suppose. I will teach you another method. This was the first method. You should note it down by pausing the video. I will just highlight a star. First step, second step, third step, and fourth step. Okay, so that you don't just make them all hodgepodge. Okay. Now students, I have rubbed the question also by mistake. Doesn't matter, I'll rewrite it. I will again do this but with another method. Okay, question tha ki you have to subtract what? 2x to the power 4, okay, minus 7x to the power 2 plus 5x plus 3 from what? From x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 3. Okay. So students, the second method is what? If you are finding first method easy, please better do by that method, no problem. अब second method में क्या होता है, जिसमें से subtract करना होता है हम उसको पहले लिख लेते हैं. x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 2x square plus 3. Okay, जैसे हम ऐसे माइनस करते हैं ना, 16 में से 10 माइनस करना है, तो we will subtract like this 0 6. Likewise we will do in this only. Okay. From this we have to subtract. Written the first expression. अब second expression जिसको माइनस करना है बेटा, उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We will arrange the terms. Plus 2x4 को मैम लिखेगी यहाँ पे. Plus 2x to the power 4. Then second term minus 7x square. Ma'am will not write below this. Ma'am will write below this. Minus 7x square. Plus 5x. x वाली तो कोई टर्म ही नहीं है. Plus 5x वाली तो मैम उसको अलग से लिख देगी वहाँ पर. But not up, down, because this is the expression. Okay, the terms have to be together. 2x4 minus 7x square plus 5x का कोई टर्म नहीं था तो हमने अलग से लिखा वहाँ पे. Plus 3. So plus 3 मैंने constant के नीचे लिखा. Okay. Only I am taking care of the variables. जो variables match करें मैम, according to that मैम is aligning. Leave one line, then make a horizontal line. Why did we leave one line? There is a logic to it बेटा. Because we are subtracting this expression. अभी जब हम second expression subtract कर रहे थे, हमने उसके signs क्या कर दिए थे? Opposite कर दिए थे, bracket open करके. इसमें भी वही करना है. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Here nothing, so nothing. Plus becomes minus. ठीक है. अब हमने जो साइन चेंज करे हैं बेटा, वी हैव टू लुक एट दैट साइन. इट मीन्स व्हाट? यहाँ पर तो कुछ नहीं था, कुछ भी सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं है, तो अभी ये बन गया माइनस 5x, तो मैम लिखेगी सिर्फ माइनस 5x. ठीक है. प्लस 3 माइनस 3 प्लस 3, ये प्लस 3 नहीं है, अब ये माइनस 3 है. प्लस 3 माइनस 3 का आंसर हो गया 0. प्लस साइन लगाया करो 0 के आगे. ओके. माइनस 2 प्लस 7, माइनस 2 प्लस 7 का आंसर कितना होता है? प्लस 5 विद द एक्स स्क्वायर. इसमें तो कुछ सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं है और इसका साइन भी ऑपोजिट नहीं होता, इसको हम एज इट इज इसके साइन के साथ नोट डाउन कर लेंगे. ये था प्लस 1, इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है, तो प्लस 1 और ये माइनस 2. प्लस 1 माइनस 2 आंसर इज माइनस 1x to the power 4 and leave it like this. Even if you don't show the 0, fine. If you can show, it's okay. Okay. So this is your final answer, students. It is your choice. You want to do by second method or the first method. Okay. So the remaining parts of question number 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6 are your homework. Along with whatever I have done in the class, that is also going to go in your register. Okay. Thank you, class. Ask me your doubts. Okay. Don't miss out on asking your doubts.